Namaste students. In this video we are going to see exercise 6.3 second problem. In the given figure, triangle DOC shaded triangle DOC is similar to the triangle OBA, this is given, and angle BOC is equal to 125 degree. BOC so here only you have to denote that 125 degree, and CDO is equal to 70 degree. CDO in the place of D only you have to denote 70 degree. Find what are all things you have to find. BOC, so you have to find this angle first, and then DCO. After that you have to find this angle, and then third OAB. After that you have to find this angle. Clear? So first you have to write given. What are all things given in the question? Given that the triangle DOC is similar to the triangle OBA. This is the first thing. And then angle BOC is equal to 125 degree, and angle CDO is equal to 70 degree. To find what are all things we have to find. Angle DOC, angle DCO, and angle AOB. These are all things you have to find. So now start. First, how we can find with the known to unknown, that only we have to see. So which angle you know here? 125 degree. The angle BOC is 125 degree, and the remaining angle is DOC. So by linear pair of axiom, the line makes an angle 180 degree. So half portion is 125 degree. You can easily find the remaining portion. So by applying the pair of linear axiom, I am going to find DOC first. So by first I am going to find DOC. By the linear pair of axiom, angle DOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Angle DOC and angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. This only we have to find, so keep it as it is. And BOC is 125 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle DOC is equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree. So angle DOC is equal to 55 degree. Angle DOC is equal to 55 degree. This is angle DOC. And see the figure. Next, what we have to find? DCO. So this is 55 degree. This is 55 degree. Then we know the two angles of the triangle. So easily we can find the third side by sum of the angle of the triangle is 180 degree. Angle sum property. By angle sum property we can find the third angle. Clear? So, second thing, angle DCO. Sum of the angle of triangle is 180 degree. So one angle is 70 degree and next angle is 55 degree and third angle only we are going to find. DCO is equal to 180 degree. So 70 plus 55 is 125 degree plus angle DCO is equal to 180 degree. Angle DCO is equal to 180 minus 125. Angle DCO is equal to 55 degree. That one also 55 degree. So we found the second angle also. Third one, what we have to find? Angle OAB. Angle OAB. How we can find angle OAB? The first given is that DOC is similar to the triangle BOBA. That is, DOC is similar to the triangle OBA. Clear? So, the triangle starts with 70 degree and this is 55 degree. Just now we found 55 degree and this one is also 55 degree. So, here similar triangle. So, D is similar with O. D, O. This is 70 degree. D, O. Next B. Next B. We have to find the angle A. We have to find the angle A. So, see what is the corresponding angle. Corresponding angle for A is C. Angle A is C. So, here the angle of C is 55 degree. So, obviously, since it is similar, this angle A is also 55 degree. Clear? So 70, 55, 55. Here 70, 55, 55. Clear? So this one is find the corresponding angle. We have to find the value of angle A. The corresponding angle is C. So since the angle is 55 degree for C, the angle A is also 55 degree. That only we are going to write here. Since what is given in the question, triangle DOC is similar to the triangle OBA. Is similar to the triangle OBA. So angle DCO is equal to angle OAB. DOC is nothing but 55 degree. So 55 degree is equal to angle OAB. So that one also 55 degree. So we found the three angles. The first one is DOC is by using the linear pair of axiom. Next, DCO by sum of the angle of the triangle is 180 degree. That is angle sum property. Next, OAB by the given, since the two triangles are similar, the corresponding angles are equal. So we found that angle OAB is equal to 55 degree. Thank you. Next, third problem in exercise 6.3. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABC. Diagonal AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC, intersect each other at a point O. It intersect each other at a point O. Using a similarity criterion for two triangles, two triangles show that OA divided by OC is equal to OB divided by OD. It means that the two sides are in proportion, two sides. So we have to identify the triangle first. OA divided by OC. So this side and this side. This side of triangle, one triangle, and another side for this triangle, another triangle. And then OB divided by OD. OB divided by OD, OA divided by OC. So now tell me which two triangles we have to take to prove OA divided by OC and OB divided by OD. These two triangles. Triangle OAB and the triangle OCD. Triangle OCD. This two triangle we have to take and we have to prove that it is similar. Two triangles are similar. If we prove that the two triangles are similar, we can tell that corresponding sides are in proportion. Clear? Now start the proof. First, given diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at a point O. It is given in the question. To prove that OA divided by OC is equal to OB divided by OD. I am going to start the proof. Since AB parallel to DC, these two lines are parallel, so I can tell that this is transversal, this is transversal, and this angle is equal. Alternate interior angles. This is A and this is C, angle C. So angle A, that is this angle and this angle. Are you clear? A, B, C, D. This is transversal, and we can tell that alternate interior angles are equal. Clear? Angle BAC is equal to angle ACD, alternate interior angles, alternate interior angles. Next one, since AB parallel to DC, we can tell another thing also. Angle B here, this angle and this angle is also equal. How it is? A, B, D, C. This is transversal. Alternate interior angles are again alternate interior angles are equal. That is angle B and angle D. So A, B, D is equal to C, D, B. Again alternate interior angles are equal. Clear? Therefore, by AAA criterion of similarity, C of S, that is criterion of similarity, it implies triangle OAB is similar to the triangle OCD. Is similar to the triangle OCD. Clear, all of you? We proved that these two triangles are similar. Since these two triangles are similar, I can tell that the corresponding sides are in proportion. What is the corresponding side? OA, OC. OA divided by OC. OA divided by OC. Clear? And then OB divided by OD. OB divided by OD. Since corresponding sides are in proportion. Clear, all of you? So we proved that OA divided by OC is equal to OB divided by OD. Two things only. We have to take the two triangle and we have to prove it is similar, and then we can conclude that the corresponding sides are in proportion. Thank you.